welcome back. This episode is something a little bit different. I just want to break away from the actual Z build just for one video. There's a few bits I need to go through and a few bits I want to talk about. I will promise after that I will be back on the actual build. Obviously it's given me a little bit of time to actually do some research, do some homework, start reading the manual a bit more and just sort of try and plan out in my own thoughts where I'm heading next and what I'm doing next. As I say, because this is a big learning curve for me and it's so far enjoying it. I'm looking forward to the whole lot. I've actually contacted a powder coating company because I was actually going to strip the frame myself and respray it. I've spoken to a couple of people online. Some have done it themselves, but others are saying powder coating is fairly inexpensive when you think of the time it's got to take you to rub it all down and primer it up, red oxide primer and top coat, etc. So I've contacted the company that hopefully will get back to me quite soon. I've emailed them, just giving them a basic list of what the bike is, what sort of state it's in, and what I'd like powder coating. Obviously, obviously the frame is the important one. Centre stand, side stand, battery box, a few other bits and pieces. So I'm waiting for that to come back. So hopefully I should have an answer from them quite soon. The other thing I wanted to mention as well is I mentioned a few videos back that I was looking into actually doing some merchandise. So I mean that's taken quite a while to sort of like set up, organise and start looking at designs, t-shirts, stickers, maybe mugs or hoodies, etc. So that's in the making at the moment. Obviously you've seen the one that I currently wear or have worn for some time. That was just a mock-up that I did ages ago just to see how it would work. It's okay. It was a prototype, so to say, but it's not one that's going to go on sale. If you do like it and you want it to go on sale, then I'll redo it. But the new designs I've got hopefully should be quite good. I'll give you there'll be a link on screen and a link in the description to my merch site. So please go and check it out, have a look. Hopefully people will buy, even if it's just a sticker. But that's quite a big jump and quite a big venture for me. It's taken me a while to set it up. I'm still in the process. There is some items in there at the moment, but I'm in the process of actually expanding and growing it. So here's a quick snapshot of a couple of the designs. So that was just basically a couple of pictures, couple of snapshots of the actual designs and the storefront as well. I'm using a company called Teespring. Many other YouTubers I've seen have used them. The quality is really good. I'm really happy with their comments and their help. So really good company, but as I say, link on screen, link in the description. The other thing I wanted to do this week is obviously it's been a while since I did a video about what I am and what I do. Obviously I did a small sort of couple of minute video some time ago, but obviously since then the channel has grown, I've gained more subscribers. So this is basically an insight of what I am, the amateur bike builder, and what I've done and what things to look for, basically, of how I've grown and how I've learned and the projects and things I've worked on. So grab a cup of tea, sit back and enjoy. as I say, it was a brief insight, obviously, to a lot of the newer subscribers of a basic insight of the channel. For many of you that have obviously been with me from the start, I really appreciate your support. You've been there from day. A lot of you have been there since day one, and it means so much. And the comments you keep coming up with, again, fantastic. New subscribers, again, if you've looked at a lot of my older videos, feel free to comment, email me. I'll help wherever I can. I'm on quite a lot of forums. I don't know everything, but as I say, I can find the information out for you. I can speak to people that have got far superior knowledge to me that can maybe point you in the right direction, or I can point you to forums. I am a member of a lot of forums, so I do spend, unfortunately, most of my life on forums, but it's educating me, it's learning, and I can give you that advice, and I can give you contacts of who to speak to. But that just about wraps that one up for this week. Next episode, we'll be back on the Z650 engine, so lots to do still. I need to get the crank out, I need to start cleaning up the cases, cleaning up the clutch, and then start basically separating and bagging everything up so I know exactly what's been done and what hasn't, and I can suddenly move through. But as usual, subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of every video, so please like and subscribe. It is important to me, and I really appreciate everybody's help and support. Link to my Patreon page at bottom right hand corner, so please go check it out. If you feel like you want to support and help the channel and help me, I really appreciate it. There's also a link in the description below to my tip cup, so if you appreciate a video and you just want to pop $1 or £1 in my tip cup, again, most appreciative. And as I say, link in the description below. Links to other videos top left and top right, and join me again next time. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.